3 dumpsters, that's it. I think they need about 300 from the view of that. Sky Tower radar is pretty busy. You can see this large area, showers and some thunderstorms across the northern Gulf of Mexico. It's been working its way, basically just kind of sliding on towards the east, but some of this rain right along the coastline, Mobile, Pensacola, Destin, Panama City, over towards Apalachicola, and it's getting ever so close to Tallahassee right now. And as we go through the day today, the vast majority of this, it stays to our north. We're probably going to see at least a few showers across our northern counties, but this big mass is not what is heading in our direction. We are going to see a cold front working its way down across the Gulf as we head through this evening, and that will help to push eventually some showers in our direction. But for the day, we stay primarily dry. 66 in Orlando, mid-70s down to our south. Miami 74, down in Key West 75, and then those mid-60s with the rain up across the Panhandle. Here in Tampa, we're at 68 degrees. Newport Richie 67. Sarasota currently sits at 68 degrees. So pretty much everybody fairly within a few degrees of each other, fairly close in those temperatures, and that's because we just have a lot of clouds overhead, and that tends to hold these temperatures all within a few degrees of each other. Those winds today, they are from an east and a southeasterly direction, so it is a warm wind direction as we go through the day. So watch the Fox model. You can see what's going on. We got the showers and the storms up across the northern part of the state. That just continues to slide on towards the east, but here we are heading into this evening. 10 o'clock tonight, we've got the storms on the coastline. We've got the cold front back to our west. That will be sliding through. So as we go through the overnight hours, that's when we see the best chance of rain. After sunset tonight, those rain chances will really start to ramp up. It'll be through the overnight hours, early tomorrow morning. Sun's coming up tomorrow. The rain is working its way out of here. We're going to start to clear out the skies. We'll get back to some sun. Cold front pushes through. This front here doesn't really bring any cooler air. What it's going to do is just kind of boot all the rain that we've got over us out of the picture. And so we've got Thursday and Friday, which will be quiet. And then we'll watch for that next cold front. That's back over here. That'll be heading our way for the weekend. That one will give us some of those cooler temperatures. So as we head into next week, we're not talking about cold weather. We're just cooling it down some because we're above average, so we're getting back closer to average to maybe just a smidge below average as we head into next week briefly. For today, it's mainly cloudy skies, daytime high 81 degrees. Then for tonight, rain heads our way, overnight low down to 69. For tomorrow, rain's working its way out through the morning hours, daytime high back up to 80 degrees. On the water, winds are out of the southeast to south at 10 knots, seas 1 foot or less. Light chop on the bays and inland waters. High tide comes up at 8:46 this evening. Here's your 7-day forecast. Rain through the overnight hours, clearing out tomorrow. We'll have a pretty decent Thursday and Friday. Looks like some more showers heading our way first part of next week, but we also have some a little bit cooler air working its way in when we see these overnight lows by Monday, slipping back down into the 50s at least. All right.